A Facebook post describing how a police officer has beaten up a truck driver has gone viral online, which already reached more than 3,000 shares. According to 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗜𝗄𝗧 post, they were on board a prime mover driven by her husband Edito last January 20 when they figured in an accident in Barangay Bulasa, Argao. She said a series bus suddenly stopped, which caused the two other vehicles behind it to hit their brakes as well. Edito tried to swerve the prime mover to avoid colliding with the vehicles in front, but his truck still bumped into the van where Siquijor Provincial Police Office Director Robert 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and his family were on board. The collision was captured by the van's rear dash camera. Suset said 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and his companions suddenly started beating up her husband and even posted a photo of a wound on his face. She added that only the road accident was recorded on Argao Police Station's blotter, and that the Argao Police refused to include the mauling incident. However, Argao Police Station's Chief, Major 𝗷𝗔𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓 denied this, saying they even gave Edito a letter request to undergo medical examination, but the latter left in a hurry.
I-conduct na ito, kuhaan ka ng investigation dito traffic, kuhaan ito sketch, and tanan-tanan, then after ito, ang ban, kuyog man lang sa man itong pamilya ni sa 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, niyad to sa kuhaan, niyad to sa Cebu City. Proceed, and then ang gatong prime mover amo lang gidala diri pending nanawag siya employer. Okay, basig for kuan ba for sa settlement. After ato mga January 21 nag-settle gid sila mga alauna siguro to alas 2 pa. Oo nga. Mao na siya mga nasettle na ang maong problema sa traffic accident.
Nasettle siya pag January 21. Sir, usa tong pangitabo sir nga gisukmag ang driver sa
kanang allegation na niya ma'am sa driver. Yan ang allege kay wala mo kita ana sa pangitabo adto na to dito mo to 𝗕𝗥𝗙𝗓𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗢𝗢 mo to nakitaan. So yan ang allegation nga kulata ko na siya. So din ato gi entertain po na iyang complaint, pero diha na to sa 21 na to na tagaan na to siya og medical request, but unfortunately si katong driver nagdali. Kaya gusto siya makuha ang iyang delivery ba dito sa karkar, dinamde kung na penalty. Mauna muna bantayan nga i-post nila sa social media nga wala mo gunogi okay kuno ang iyang blattering, which is di mo ra mao i-provide mo siya incident record form. Na magud ang incident record form.
𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, on the other hand, denied that an attack happened in the first place. He clarified that he did not lay a hand on Edito.
Actually, ang motibo na mga yan, gusto lang kami capitalize dahil pulis ako. Kilala nyo ako, hindi ako tatlong pulis.
Yes, sir.
Pero hindi rin ako sa kahit sinong banggain. Lalo na kung pamilya ako ang hindi ako abusado, hindi baliktad yun. Ang sumapak dyan sa driver na yan, civilian na awang-awa sa amin.
This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.